This Oul Fermin life be Charlie Gillan. This Oul Fermin life is a struggle. It's soaring about his old back. What we lifting and sliping and stooping, I ta'en gaily alla can tak. While I think I should throw it all for me and get a wee job in the town. Then I hear the wee birds are all calling, and I see nature at work all around. Aye, mony's the time I get scunnered, but sure that's the nature of man, and it gars ye think mair of the good times. I allow that's a part of the plan. The clerk may get on with his pencil and his starched collar cutting his throat. Me, I'll stick to the grape and the borough. Do you think I'm a joining to dote? Sure me clout was daylicht and me mester the wather. Wi' me hand in me heart, I could wish for nae other. Them tun boys, they leave by the cloak and the scraich of the old factory whistle. I took a minute whiles for to see the wee gouldies all picking the thistles. The shopkeeper's music's the ring of the till, and the mester sees gold through the stour of the mill, and the banker sits counting at other folks' money. I'm out in the fields where the bees making honey. I'm feared the whole world is all changing, and enough hasn't plenty nae mair. They'll find out or late you can just eat if you unplay it, and you need nae mair of your share. Aye, the houses and motors get bigger. They cry at a modern trend, and they play a game cried bait your neighbour, and I'm wondering where that'll end. They get deeper in debt to impress folk. Good God, take a look at yourself. Why man ye play bait your neighbour when it makes your own life a pure hell? But look here, I strayed for the Fermin, and away at it soaring a man. I'm only trying to tell you, take stock of yourself while you can. Play nae part in that race to destruction. Step ootae this rat race to hell. It's Mother Nature that needs looking after. With your help, she could still do gae well. Pay your bills. Spend time with your family. It's no money they need, it's yourself. There'll be money when we're on the graveyard, where money's a good man who dwells.